Hi, so I'm getting ready to make my very favorite recipe from the Victory Garden cookbook, which I've had for years and years, and it's called stir-fried beans and beef. So really easy recipe, and I'm getting ready to marinate the beef, and I realized that this would be the perfect use of this tool. This is the quick shred. Okay, see those? So you could use it with your cooked meat to shred it. So like think carnitas or pulled pork or pulled chicken, that kind of thing. And you can also use it as like lifters to get like a turkey or a roast out of the pan. And then the cool thing is that they are magnetic. But you can use this as a guide for slicing your meat. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I hope you'll be with me on watching this. And I won't do it for very long, but I'm so interested to see how it will work. Whoops, I gotta get this so that I can. Okay, I think you can see. Pull this back a little bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half because we do want it to go against the grain, right? And as you know, the grain, here's what the grain looks like. So this is the way I want to slice it, but it's too big to hold this in like this. So let's see how it works. I'm going to go against the grain. Oh, so I want to hold it like this. Oh. See, I have to think about it very much. So I'm sticking the knife in between the tines, and let's see how it works, because it's going to give me a guide. Look at that, perfect, like 1/2 inch slices. I love this. I'm glad I tried it. And here we go. And we'll just keep going with this for just a couple more. But what do you think? It's pretty amazing, and I can just keep going like this. And we'll do 2 more. And it's so much easier than, because usually it gets spread out, you know? So look at that. Look at how perfectly those are cut. Isn't that great? Can you see that? I'll show you. I'm very excited about this. So that was my quick showing you the quick shred, but using it for a different purpose as a guide for slicing even slices of meat. And you, of course, can do this with cooked meat as well. And the nice thing, these are dishwasher safe. Yay. We love things that are dishwasher safe. Have a great day. I'm going to be marinating my meat for tonight's dinner. And talk to you later. Thanks. Oh, by the way, Sarah Stovetop here. I forgot to say who I was. And I am your pampered chef. I love to cook, obviously, and help you with mealtime solutions. If you liked this video, feel free to drop me a private message, and I will send you some of my favorite recipes. Thanks. Bye.